This is Crazy Kart by Fun Nation in Goldcrest Mall in Lahore, Pakistan. Let's go on a ride.
Check that out. His and his cuz Tehami is gonna go do some go-karts here. Right under your apartment, you can do go-karts. How cool is that? Now, they have like the tiniest wheels on these go-karts, which I think makes them quite different. They're called Crazy Karts. Now they're getting instructions. So now this whole area we're staying in is called Defense Housing Authority. It's called DHA, right? And the largest play area in DHA Lahore is on the second floor. So the card we got, like the kids can go there and play there. So I guess if you have kids, you bring them here. Like who else will have this right under their hotel? And their tagline is, anyone can drive a straight line, which by the way, I enjoy a lot. But it takes skill to master the drift. Look at Alia go. There she goes. Around. So you can come around, go around this pillar. From a pricing perspective, about $10 for 5,000 points. I can buy you almost 20-25 minutes for
Lisa, sorry,
carts.
I don't want to bump.
So it is crazy cheap for Crazy Karts here. All right, I've decided to go.
Okay.
One.
Start.
Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, this is actually fun. Oh my god, this is scary. There's all the, I'm telling you, this is so much fun. Woo!
Hi, Isa. I almost flipped.
Okay, so Alia, did you see me fly?
I don't like that.
I'm telling you, this thing is so much fun. There you go. There she goes. She goes around the straight. She's gonna come around the corner. There are two curves, one there, one there. Now I had a phone in my hand as I was recording, and I picked up a lot of speed here and got distracted. My turn was late, hit these, and fell over. But look at Alia, smoothly done. There she goes. What happened with my car, because I've had a crash, the chain came off, so they got to repair it. All right, Alia's going. She's going around and around on the pillar. The steering is so crazy. When you move, you just have to keep the arrow on that steering. Like wherever you point, the cart's gonna go. Look, and it just slides out like that. Right here now, Isa's playing it safe. Isa, I like that speed. Go buddy, go buddy. There comes Alia. Punch it. Punch. There she goes. So this is where I like to pick up speed, and this is where I shouldn't have picked up speed, because that's where you go. I've had like 2 crashes here. We switched passengers. They're still repairing my car because I crashed it.
That's why you go like that.
Okay, that wasn't bad.
She's laughing at my crash now. Can I see my crash?
funny.
She's gonna see my crash.
Bro, she's
Look, I had a crash. And that's Alia laughing at me. Okay,
That
Alia.
was actually
Alia,
funny.
you gotta tell me, be honest. Is it good?
It's so crazy, out of control. I wasn't going so fast,
Yeah?
so I was able to enjoy it.
Yeah?
But if anytime I was like going really fast, it was
Yeah.
getting out of control, and I was scared, especially when I saw you like fall off.
Yeah.
I didn't want that for me, so it was
Yeah.
crazy, but a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
Yeah.
You know, it's crazy because
Oh.
put your leg in, put your leg in. Okay, I'm ready again. I'm gonna go.
It was so funny. He was like,
That was fun.
So I'm gonna be very careful.
press the gas pedal and gotta use it. Look, you're done.
Oh my god, Dad's recording too. Go Myra!
This is exactly where I crashed. There's Sufi boy right there. Alia standing there. Whoa. So this reminds me of whoa. This reminds me of watching Top
Oh,
Gear.
God.
Jeremy Clarkson, he's driving a supercar around the track. Woo! And time's up.
Oh, he's stuck.
Uh-oh, she's coming. Let's see her up close. She's gonna make a turn without hitting me. Hi. That is a smooth driver right there. So you can see the track here, driving around. Man, that was a lot of fun. A crash, tons of fun. Thank you, sir. Great host too. He also drives Crazy, by the way. Check him out. Look, he's gonna sign out. Oh, there was a crash over there. Oh, we broke the. That was a lot of fun. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on this mini adventure, but I'll show you where we are. We are in Goldcrest Mall, Ready Set Drift. This is Crazy Karts by Fun Nation. You can come here. It is 500 rupees. Now in US dollars, you're talking about $1.50 that you will get you 5 minutes on this crazy adventure. It's so much fun. I think I'm still wearing the helmet. Check me out. Hold on. I'll put this up. Look how serious I look. Right underneath is Al Fatah Mall, the largest play area in DHL Lahore, second floor, right up there. But we didn't even go there. We came here, and that's where we spend most of the time. That little area right here. Plenty of fun, and when you're done with the fun, then you can come right here. You can get some loaded fries, but more importantly, you're in Pakistan, so you can get some sweet corn done Pakistani style with masala and a whole bunch of flavors. That's what we are getting right now. You can check what this looks like. And we are going order crazy with fries and whatnot with Mr. Magic here. We have Alia's nephew with us. He's 6'7". He wants to see if he can fit on the go-kart. Can you fit?
It's not about me fitting.
Yeah.
There's a weight limit, so.
Do you? What's the weight limit?
90, it's 80, so.
80 kg is the weight limit for these go-karts. Done?
Okay, can I stop?
On this fun note, we're gonna catch you guys in the
Next one.
bye for now.
Bye.
His nephew with us. He's 6'7". Boys, are you get? They're still doing 6'7". Now this video gets posted like 3-4 months later. 6'7" may be history at that point.